Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I am coming back to showcase swap number 11. Swap number 11 is from Alicia Healy, and this is Alicia's swap, and she sent this in. And before I get started, I want to say, Alicia, thank you so very much, sis, for allowing yourself to, to be a blessing to us here in this group. We greatly appreciate you so much, sis, for you sharing your beautiful gifts and talents with us and the world. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open. And let's just see what she have. Alicia is very, very crafty. She makes some awesome items. And she got it wrapped up. And this, she got it wrapped up in this pretty purple paper. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Alicia does awesome work, y'all. I love her work. I love it. It's so beautiful. Now I'm just gonna slide this off so we can get into the actual entry itself. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Believe and trust. And Alicia, she did all of this goodness by hand. This is how gifted and creative these ladies are in this group. This is beautiful, y'all. Like, this is absolutely, and you can stand it up. She made it with a picture frame, and you can stand it up and put it on something in your house. And it has love nature, enjoy your journey. This is beautiful, Alicia. Like, this is so awesome. So very awesome. I'm going to make sure that I leave all of Alicia's information down in the description box for those of you who want to reach out to her to have her make something for you. I just love her work that she does. It's so awesome. I love it. Thank you so much, Alicia. Thank you so very much. So like I said, I'm going to leave all her information down in the description box. And for those of you who want her to make something from you, she make all kinds of things. You can reach out to her, okay? I want to thank y'all. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified, okay? Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone, and enjoy your weekend. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.